The way we work is changing. Remote work is no longer a niche trend, it's a global phenomenon. Millions of people are embracing the freedom and flexibility of working from anywhere. But this new way of working requires a new approach to legal and financial planning. This isn't just about knowing where to pay your taxes, though that's important. It's about setting yourself up for long-term success. It's about making sure you're protected legally and financially so you can enjoy the benefits of remote work without unnecessary stress. This guide will walk you through the most important legal and financial considerations for remote workers, from taxes and contracts to healthcare and financial management. Let's get started. Taxes in the US can be complex, especially for remote workers. The landscape is filled with various rules and regulations that can be overwhelming. One key issue is state income tax. Each state has its own set of rules, and understanding them is crucial. If you live and work in the same state, it's straightforward. You file your taxes with that state and you're done. But what if you live in one state and work remotely for a company in another? This is where things get tricky. You'll need to understand the tax laws of both states. Each state may have different requirements and tax rates. Some states have reciprocal agreements, meaning you only pay taxes in your state of residence. This can simplify things significantly. Others don't, which could mean filing multiple state tax returns. This can be time-consuming and confusing. Another important concept is self-employment tax. This is particularly relevant for freelancers and independent contractors. If you're a freelancer or independent contractor, you're considered self-employed. This classification has its own set of tax implications. This means you're responsible for paying both the employer and employee portions of Social Security and Medicare taxes. This can add up quickly. The good news is there are many tax deductions available to remote workers. Home office expenses, internet and phone bills, and business travel can all be deductible. These deductions can significantly reduce your taxable income. Keep accurate records of all your expenses to maximize your deductions. Proper documentation is key to ensuring you get the most out of your tax return. Consulting with a tax professional can also be beneficial. They can help you navigate the complexities and ensure you're compliant with all regulations. Filing taxes may seem daunting, but with the right knowledge and resources, you can manage it effectively. Stay informed and organized to make the process smoother. For remote workers in the UK, understanding your tax obligations is crucial. Navigating the complexities of the tax system can be daunting, but it's essential for ensuring compliance and avoiding potential legal issues. One key aspect is determining your employment status. This is the foundation upon which your tax responsibilities are built. Are you employed or self-employed? This distinction is not just a label, it fundamentally affects how you manage your taxes. This distinction impacts your tax responsibilities. For instance, employees have taxes deducted at source, while self-employed individuals must handle their own tax affairs. If you're employed by a UK company but work remotely, your employer will deduct income tax and national insurance contributions from your salary. This simplifies the process for you, as the employer handles the bulk of the administrative work. However, if you're a freelancer or contractor, you're responsible for managing your own taxes. This includes calculating your income, expenses, and making sure you pay the correct amount of tax on time. A significant tax rule impacting UK remote workers is IR35. This legislation is designed to prevent individuals from avoiding taxes by operating as a business when they are effectively employees. This legislation aims to prevent disguised employment, where individuals operate through their own limited company to pay less tax. Understanding IR35 is crucial for anyone working as a contractor or through a personal service company. IR35 can be complex, so seeking professional advice is recommended if you're unsure about your status. A tax advisor can help you navigate these rules and ensure you're compliant. Understanding your tax obligations as a remote worker in the UK ensures compliance and avoids potential legal issues. Staying informed and seeking professional guidance can make the process smoother and more manageable. Additionally, there are numerous resources available, such as webinars, online courses, and books, that can help you stay updated on the latest tax regulations and best practices. Keeping organized records and having a checklist of your tax responsibilities can also be incredibly helpful. This ensures that you don't miss any important deadlines or requirements. By mastering your UK tax requirements, you can work with confidence, knowing that your financial affairs are in order. This peace of mind allows you to focus on your work and personal life without the stress of tax-related issues. The U.S. boasts a plethora of cities that are ideal for remote workers. Austin, Texas is renowned for its vibrant tech scene, affordable living, and abundance of co-working spaces. The city's lively atmosphere and strong sense of community make it a favorite among remote professionals. Portland, Oregon offers a high quality of life, beautiful natural surroundings, and a thriving creative industry. Its laid-back vibe and plentiful coffee shops make it an attractive destination for remote workers seeking a balance between work and leisure. Denver, Colorado attracts remote workers with its stunning Rocky Mountain views, outdoor recreational opportunities, and growing tech sector. The city's sunny climate and active lifestyle appeal to those who enjoy an active lifestyle. Section 5. Top UK cities for remote professionals. The UK is home to numerous cities that cater to the needs of remote workers. Bristol is a vibrant and creative city with a rich history and a thriving digital sector. Its affordable living costs, independent spirit, and abundance of green spaces make it an attractive base for remote workers. Manchester is a bustling metropolis with a strong economy, excellent transport links, and a growing tech scene. Its diverse population and cultural attractions offer something for everyone. Edinburgh, Scotland's capital, boasts a stunning historical setting, a thriving arts and culture scene, and a high quality of life. Its compact size and excellent infrastructure make it easy to navigate and explore. Section 6. The art of remote contract negotiation. Negotiating a remote work contract requires careful consideration. Remember, you're not just negotiating a salary, you're negotiating your entire work arrangement. Salary is often the starting point. Research industry standards and your worth based on experience. Don't be afraid to ask for what you deserve. Benefits are equally important. Paid time off, health insurance, more on this later, and retirement contributions are all valuable benefits to negotiate. Work hours and flexibility are often key advantages of remote work. Be clear about your preferred work schedule and any flexibility you require. Finally, discuss expense reimbursement. Will your employer cover the cost of your home office, internet, or other work-related expenses? Section 7. Financial strategies for remote success. Managing your finances effectively is crucial as a remote worker. You're responsible for your own financial security, so it's important to be proactive. Budgeting is essential. Track your income and expenses to understand your cash flow. Numerous budgeting apps can help you stay organized. Consider using multiple bank accounts. Separate your business income and expenses from your personal finances. This simplifies accounting and tax preparation. If you're a digital nomad, explore tax-friendly countries. Some countries offer favorable tax rates or incentives for remote workers. Section 8. Healthcare options for remote workers. Healthcare is a critical consideration for remote workers. Whether you're working from home, a co-working space, or traveling the world, having access to reliable healthcare is essential for your well-being and peace of mind. In the US, if you're employed by a company, they may offer health insurance as part of your benefits package. This can include medical, dental, and vision coverage, and sometimes even wellness programs. However, if you're self-employed or freelancing, you'll need to secure your own coverage. This can be a daunting task, but there are many resources available to help you navigate the process. Explore options on the health insurance marketplace, where you can compare different plans and find one that fits your needs and budget. Additionally, consider joining a professional organization that offers group health insurance plans to its members. Telehealth services have become increasingly popular, offering virtual consultations and healthcare services remotely. This is especially beneficial for remote workers who may not have easy access to traditional healthcare facilities. In the UK, you have access to the National Health Service, NHS, regardless of your employment status. The NHS provides comprehensive healthcare services from general practitioner visits to specialized treatments. However, waiting times for certain procedures can be long, so it's important to plan ahead and consider private health insurance if you need faster access to care. Digital nomads have unique healthcare needs due to their mobile lifestyle. Ensuring you have coverage that travels with you is crucial. Consider international health insurance plans that provide coverage in multiple countries. These plans can offer peace of mind, knowing you're protected no matter where you are. Research travel insurance policies that offer coverage for medical emergencies while abroad. This can be a lifesaver in case of unexpected health issues during your travels. Always read the fine print to understand what is covered and what isn't. Section 9. Embrace the remote lifestyle. Navigating the legal and financial landscape of remote work may seem daunting, but it's an essential step towards building a successful and sustainable remote career. By understanding your tax obligations, negotiating fair contracts, managing your finances wisely, and securing adequate healthcare, you can minimize risks and maximize the benefits of this increasingly popular way of life. Embrace the freedom and